The power snatch. From the starting position, this exercise involves lifting the bar overhead with the arms fully extended, all in one movement. First, the proper grip width and hand placement on the bar need to be determined. The hand placement can be estimated by measuring the distance from the knuckles edge of a clenched fist of an arm extended out to the side and parallel to the floor, across the back of the arm and upper back to the outside edge of the opposite shoulder. Stand with the feet placed between hip and shoulder width apart, with the toes pointed slightly outward so the knees track directly over the feet. Squat down with the hips lower than the shoulders and grasp the bar evenly with a pronated grip. Position the arms outside the knees with the elbows fully extended and pointed out to the sides. Position the bar approximately 1 inch or 3 centimeters in front of the shins and over the balls of the feet. Exact positions of the torso, hips, knees, and bar are dependent on a lifter's segment lengths and lower body joint flexibility. All repetitions begin from this position. The portion of the upward movement phase from liftoff to where the bar is just above the knees is called the first pull. Forcefully extend the hips and knees at the same rate to keep the torso angle constant in relation to the floor. Maintain full elbow extension and the shoulders over or slightly ahead of the bar. As the bar is raised, it should be kept as close to the shins as possible. Slightly shifting the body's weight back toward the heels as the bar is lifted will promote proper bar trajectory. The upward movement phase, where the knees and thighs move forward under the bar, is called the transition. As the bar rises to just above the knees, thrust the hips forward and slightly flex the knees to move the thighs against and the knees under the bar. During the second knee bend, the body's weight shifts forward toward the middle of the feet, but the heels remain in contact with the floor. The shoulders should still be over the bar, although they will tend to move backward as the knees and thighs move under the bar. The body is in the power position at the end of this phase. The upward movement from the power position with the bar at the thighs and close to the body to where the lower body joints are fully extended and the bar has reached its maximum velocity is referred to as the second pull or power phase. Initiate a fast upward motion by quickly extending the hips, knees, and ankles. Keep the shoulders over the bar and the elbows extended as long as possible while the hips, knees, and ankles are extending. As the lower body joints fully extend, rapidly shrug the shoulders. As the shoulders reach their highest elevation, flex the elbows to begin pulling the body under the bar. The elbows move up and out to the sides. The act of receiving the bar in the overhead position is called the catch. After the lower body has fully extended and the bar reaches near maximal height, pull the body under the bar by rotating the arms and hands around and then under the bar, and by flexing the hips and knees to approximately a quarter squat position. Once the arms are under the bar, extend the elbows quickly to push the bar upward and the body downward under the bar. The bar should be caught over and slightly behind the ears with fully extended elbows, an erect and stable torso, a neutral head position, flat feet, and the body's weight over the middle of the feet. The quarter squat position should be reached with the elbows fully extended just as the bar reaches its maximum height. After gaining control and balance, stand up by extending the hips and knees to a fully erect position. If bumper plates are used, the bar can be returned to the floor with a controlled drop. Most commonly, the bar is lowered slowly from the overhead position by gradually reducing the muscular tension of the shoulders to allow a controlled descent of the bar to the thighs. Simultaneously flex the hips and knees to cushion the impact of the bar on the thighs. Reposition the bar and the body for the next repetition. This is the power snatch shown at normal speed. This video clip shows a common error in performing this exercise. The lifter initiates an upward and forward motion. The motion should only include an upward aspect.